My name's Daniel Thorburn from Thorburn Contracting. I'm an owner-operator in central New Zealand, and we've got a thinning to waste, mech thinning to waste contract. My role is owner-operator in the operation, and the company's been going for over 30 years, family business. Dad started off thinning, then went logging, then he started doing some land clearing. Then we went on to doing our land preparation, ready for replanting. Then we've now moved into the mech thinning to waste. Yeah, and we still have 3 machines doing the land prep, and then 3 doing the mech thinning to waste. Yes, so we buy the Kobelco 140s log spec, and yeah, I take it back to my place and pull all the panels off and re-guard the whole machine to suit this sort of environment with heavier panels and ROPS cabs and all the doors, so to stop the pine needles getting in, and hydraulic bond it, and then fit the tree shear and the Doherty tilt hitch. Our first one we bought end of 2018. We went and looked at our first Kobelco, and we figured out that was our perfect machine for the job. Then we worked out what sort of shear. We googled what shears, tree shears, and found TMK and went for a look at a 300 with Jeff, and decided that was what we wanted to go with. Then we moved on to a TMK 400 in 2019, and then we've got 4 TMK 400s and the 300. But just the 3 400s at the moment full time, and 1 is a spare. Yeah, so we work for New Zealand Forest Managers and for Manulife in New Zealand, Central North Island. Our operation is all thinning to waste in plantation pine forest. So yeah, we're cutting out pretty well half of the forest thin to waste and leaving all the good crop trees. It's a new thing that we've taken on. Not too many people are doing it in central New Zealand at the moment. So yeah, we've had a couple of years experience now. So yeah, I think we're sort of mastering it now. The problem that the TMK has solved is changing from motor manual. The job's always been done with guys on chainsaws. We've been able to put guy in the seat, and you're all in a ROPS cab and safer. You can get through all the blackberry that's as high as the machine, and you don't have a man on the ground anymore. So I would have been on the tree shear for probably 7,000 hours in the machine. I think our first machine's nearly got 8,000 hours on it, so had plenty of practice, I suppose. Yeah, the best thing would be the simplicity, definitely. Yeah, I like just how basic it is, really. It does the job and it's pretty robust, and been able to move slash out of the way and make our little tracks that we do to get around in the forest. Yeah, problems we've had, we've definitely tested it to its limits multiple times, and we've had a few things break and crack and all that, but yeah, definitely due to a lot of the conditions that we're working in, and there has been improvements from the first one to the last one that we've bought, and we take it off maybe once every couple of months and weld up a few bits and pieces on it and sharpen the blades and do that bit of maintenance on it. But generally it's out there working 9 hours a day every day. Yeah, I definitely would recommend a TMK tree shear, and I have done to a few people. Yeah, just due to this basic simplicity of the tree shear, and yeah, it's quite impressive what they can cut down.